This amazing piece of engineering is my 2023 GSXR-1000R, and this is the stock exhaust, which I have just removed because I'm about to install an upgrade. You want to see what I'm putting in it? Check it out. Ta-da! Trust me, this one is different. This one has had a little, what would you say, surgery? And now it is a free-flowing exhaust system, but it has all the functionality of the original, including the X-up valve and the set alpha valve. It's a very cool system. I'm going to do a sound check and a performance check after I get this installed. This is going to be interesting. Now, the reason I decided to go with this is, one, it was extremely inexpensive. I picked this up for $100. Now, you might say, why didn't you just cut open the original? And there's a couple reasons for that. Number one, I like to keep all my old exhaust, including the one from the VTX, in case I ever want to go back to full stock. And two, in case the surgery went wrong. I contacted Nate at Two Wheel Dyno Works, and he has a flash for this very setup. I know the old mailbox is ugly, but I can get a slip-on. I want to see how this bike performs with only this restriction removed. Like the X-up is working right. Okay, so I went ahead and buttoned her up. Before I put the fairings back on, I changed the oil and filter, gave it a good cleaned and lubricated the chain. So now we get to go and see how she performs, with the only difference being the decap. So let's get to it. I'm really excited about this. Not too much louder, but you can definitely hear the difference. Oh yeah, this bike is wide awake. Ooh, some big old farm equipment. Definitely a bassier, deeper tone. The exhaust is a little stinkier. It seems to also be running cooler. The sound quality is only a little bit louder, but a lot deeper, bassier tone. It sounds really good. I can't imagine how good this is going to sound with a new slip-on, so stay tuned for that. Big improvement in power and torque, especially at low revs and low to mid revs. Upper revs, there's a little bit more power, but I'm going to need an ECU flash to make the most of that. I am super happy with this exhaust mod, and it's going to be even better with the slip-on.